This box is ridiculous, isn't it? I'm EposVox, and happy holidays, everyone. Xiaomi reached out to sponsor a video doing a mystery unboxing of one of the biggest, but not the biggest, but one of the biggest boxes I've unboxed on this channel. I've opened a few large boxes at this point in my time, but this is one of the biggest ones. You see, Xiaomi is on a quest to basically break the Guinness World Record for the most people unboxing a product at once. And so they're having an event over at the Oculus Park in New York City. If you happen to be there, it's on Saturday, December 21st at 1 p.m. Again, at the Oculus Park, or Oculus Plaza, my bad, at the Oculus Plaza in New York City. I have some information links below. This is getting uploaded later than expected, so it's super last minute. But if on Saturday you're gonna be there and you wanna participate in trying to break the Guinness World Record or set the Guinness World Record for most people unboxing something at once, you can do it. Now, I didn't want to, this is obviously just the shipping box. I didn't wanna open it in case it spoiled some of the surprise. We're just gonna get into it, because, yeah. I forgot my knife though, so I need to get that. Knife acquired. Big box means big knife. This is also my first test shoot here in what I'm calling Studio 4.2B. 4 being this is my 4th studio setup that I've built. 2 being the second revision I have made. I made a revision, and then this revision, my wife and I just got done redoing this whole setup. And the B is because this room is also now my baby room. And yeah, so that's part of the reason we had to redo it, because we have to make room for the baby. This still isn't finalized. I still have to maybe, I'm probably taking down these string lights and making a little bit of changes, but this is the general idea. I'm gonna have to lower the desk to get this in camera, I guess. Whee! All right, let's get cracking. Now this is the Xiaomi mi-stery box. Ha 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 ha. Xiaomi, or mi-stery box. All right, holy cow. All right, this thing is pretty crazy. I love the colors and shapes on this. This is definitely kind of on brand for me, if you know anything about, my 90s aesthetic and things like that. I love this just crazy pattern here. So again, sponsored by Xiaomi, the mi-stery box. And I'm taking part, things are moving around in this massive unboxing. Unfortunately, they did not set the record of the biggest unboxing I've personally done on this channel, but that's fine. Do. What do we have in here? We have quite the assortment of things in here, actually. Huh. All right, I was just expecting it to be like one big item, not a whole bunch of other stuff. All right, first and foremost, we have 2 Xiaomi Statue of Liberty stickers. You guys know I put stickers on everything. Can't complain about that by a long shot. And we have a couple gadgets here. We have their new Mi True wireless earbuds, or earphones. I've not actually owned a pair of wireless earbuds before. No Apple Pods or AirPods or whatever, none of that. Will be interesting to try. I've tried some of the Bluetooth ones that have like the string that wrap around them, but they're never good, so I will be interested to try these. We'll get them open in a sec. We have their Mi Box S, which I actually covered before in a previous video. It is their set-top box that comes with Netflix and YouTube and Vudu and allows you to stream media and things like that, and is perfectly useful. Has Chromecast built in. Perfectly useful if you don't want to use a smart TV or don't have a smart TV or want to extend your gamut of coverage beyond what your TV supports. So for example, my TV doesn't support CW, and that's not listed on here, but this means that I will be more likely to get the shows that I want through here. And I can also Chromecast to it, whereas my TV doesn't have Chromecast built in, so I can Chromecast CW from my phone to this if I want. And they have a whole lot of other stuff. It runs on Android TV, so you could even sort of get games going on it. Pretty cool stuff, as always. Nicely packaged here. We have their Mi wireless charging pad. My wife currently has a wireless charging setup, but I do not, so I will finally stop ripping the cord off the side of my bed. Nice. And then lastly, for the small things, we have the Mi Home Security Camera 360 degree 1080p. I don't believe this records in actual 360 degrees so much as you can pan it. You can do a panorama of 360 degrees. It records in H.265, 1080p, has night vision, full color with low light, and movement detection. So a nice little security camera system I can add to my collection here. Let's open this up before we actually start unboxing things really quick. What the heck is this? Ah, you want something to put everything in. This is their, does it have a name? Mi-stery backpack. This is a really nice canvasy texture here. I've always wanted like a canvas backpack, but I've never had one. Doesn't have a ton of pockets, but if you open it up, well, actually, that was just an air bubble. Okay, that holds quite a bit. You've got a laptop sleeve, you've got a tablet sleeve, so you can have an iPad, a laptop, and then you've got more pockets and zippers in here, so for pens and pencils, notepads, chargers. You've got an inside zipper pouch where you can store some documents or some loose items, and it has these extend bits, so you can actually, fill it up pretty densely. Not too shabby. Those straps actually feel pretty good. It's got a top handle, and then it does have a secondary pocket here with the zipper on the side. You can fit a little more on here, and then the same thing on this other side, which is pretty nice. Then you have the front pocket. And the front pocket itself actually has more little pockets in there, which you can use to store business cards, your wallet, your keys, all the loose little things you need to keep in one bag. And it kind of collapses into one nice little thing. Whenever we need to start carrying diaper bags everywhere, having something like this for me will actually become very handy. So pretty stoked. And this is one thing that I always look for in a bag, which you don't find very often, but I'm grateful it's starting to become more common, is the inside is this light baby blue or like turquoise, tealish. It's more of a teal color. That way, we have all of our dark things we put in backpacks. They stand out substantially easier when you have a colored inside, especially a bright color like this, rather than something that is solid black. That makes it a lot harder to find what you're looking for to quickly grab or what have you. This makes it stand out and work a lot better. Super stoked for that. Very nice material. Like I said, we're gonna start needing our own personal diaper bags and everything soon. Obviously we'll have the big one, but the smaller ones, my parents always use backpacks. I think this will be mine. All right, let's check out a couple of these really super quick here. Definitely interested in this camera. Yeah, as I mentioned, doesn't record 360 field of view, but it can, I probably shouldn't be doing this, but it can completely pan 360 degrees so you can get a full view of everything. Just powered by micro USB, so you don't need crazy power, and it's got a little bit of tilt action as well. And it appears to have a speaker in it, which is really nice. So they've got this, and then I believe they have a wall mounting kit of sorts included. Yeah, and then they have a wall plate included as well. So you can quickly and easily mount that bad boy up and get it where you need it to see. Nice, unassuming. Should be pretty fun. Comes with a basic wall wart and USB cable. You may need a longer one depending on, where you're setting it up. Let's check out these wireless earbuds real quick. All right, so this is another one where the earbuds actually charge in the case, which is always really nice. So if I close the case, easy to travel with you, easy to put in your new backpack here in one of these inner pockets. Just slide it right on in there. And then when you need to charge them, plug in the USB-C straight into the bottom, charges both earbuds, and you're ready to go put them in your ear. All right, no joke. I wasn't going to say anything if that was the case, just because my ears are usually weirdly shaped, but I do not like most earbuds and how they fit, especially the wireless ones. Usually, especially the ones I was describing where they have the big flags and stuff. These are angled into my ear. And while obviously I'm probably talking louder because I can't hear as much, they fit very comfortably in my ears here. I'm impressed. Not too bad. Usually these, like I said, I have weirdly shaped ears and earbuds do not get along with them at all. So quite happy to have a pair that fits. And then like I said, I've already made a whole video about the Mi Box S. I'm not gonna bother getting into it. Go check that out if you're interested. We do still use it in our bedroom TV setup. And then wireless charging pad is fairly straightforward. Plug it in, you put your phone on it, and it charges your phone if your phone has wireless charging. Doesn't get any more simple than that, I wouldn't think. That's kind of the point of wireless charging. But this one's just a nice, super minimal puck. Basic, but nice. All right, that wraps up our mi-stery unboxing here with Xiaomi. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring the video. And again, if you happen to be in the New York City area and you can make it over on Saturday, December 21st at 1 p.m. at the Oculus Plaza, go try to break or set the Guinness World Record for most people unboxing something. And get yourself a mystery box of yourself. There's actually more things included in the mystery box that you might get. So check that out. Information in the description below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more tech education. Make sure you have a great holiday season. Uploads are going to be pretty sporadic over the course of the holiday into the new year. And of course, I'm going to CES 2020 right at the first or second week of January. So things are going to be a little weird, but there's good stuff coming. Go subscribe on Flowplane if you want early access to videos and behind the scenes content. They've now opened it publicly for creators. I was one of the first 4 people on there. No flex, but you can sign up for yourself too, but go pledge to me first. Yeah.